Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Today, guys, I want to make a mixture fufu. This missing fufu. Now, I want to make so. This one, so I just know say my children like fufu also with me and my mommy. We like fufu as well. Then I make fufu. And this fufu and always they make so now with fire and always they use like with this will not be microwave as well. Then they make the fufu, they make the fufu, they make the fufu. You see the way they turn and they stir on, they stir on, they stir on. And this fufu, what's the bad for me is that if they add if they turn this fufu, any fufu you miss, and so you always they add. I use plantain, cocoyam, and fufu flake, that is potato flake, and also with starch, a little bit of starch as well. They say so that mix everything. They are called add little water on it. And some people would always they ask me how to make fufu, how to make fufu. This one be the recipe to how to make fufu. Then I call add little oil. I know see some people ask why I put oil. Why I put oil because the fufu to the draw. They say so if you don't want me the draw like it the gum too much, you don't want that, then you go add little oil over it. In case if you dey turn am or if you dey eat am, e no go dey gum dey follow your hand or you no too much get starch as well. They say so that's why I add little oil on it. They say my food already done. Then see the way one dey turn am well, dey mix am well, dey stir am well, dey knack am well, everything knackable. Now they do there dey show for na camera more than say you know see the way the thing done cover brand. You see the way cover brown before we never do it called the light brown something, but now it called the dark brown. Now they say now I don't turn and finish. You see when I dey comot am for those stick, those one wey remain for the sticks, and now they comot inside. Then also that go see rich or something, and they time to the wrap am for the nylon. They say so. Then I dey use this rubber spoon to the do and loose it, the TC dey gum as well. Then later I go change and go find those plastic rubber. You know with the gum they follow. You see with this one, this spoon you got the gum they follow. Me to know like please see today is first time. Please wanna follow for more, wanna share, wanna subscribe as well. Thank you so much, guys. You never finish. You say I'll go carry the rubber. Now the time be this. You see rubber. I use rubber to the cut and very easy. You see, very easy. And guys, if you want to make you can also try your not too difficult. It's very easy. You can use only pounded yam like yam fufu. You can use plantain fufu. You can use cocoyam. You can use potato flake fufu as well. Anything fufu. You can also use it to make your it's very delicious and demure. And you go see that pot now my soup when you did there, I be down. And this one and me and my mom you as well. When I continue make my video, you can also follow us on our YouTube video OB Food Move Back. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye.